I think I have given two problem. First problem I discussed it. This is the second problem I am discussing it here. So this is very similar to the previous one, but a little changes in this problem. Two consecutive zeros. How do you do that? What is the minimum string in this here? Two zeros should be there in this. Two zeros, and that is for that you have to construct a skeleton of DFA, that is not a complete DFA. 0, go to the next state, and 0, and that is the final. So that is the final state now. Okay, so that's two zeros accepted. It can may be other possible also, because already two zeros are there. It may be beginning with any number of ones. Okay, so that you can take it in the Q naught itself. So this is, you can make this is a Q naught, Q1, Q2, right? Then followed by this also valid, because since it contains a two consecutive zero. As usual, at the end any number of ones you can come, and three zeros if come also, it is because at least is say it most more than 20 also will come, that also will becomes at the end. So that I have made it. And 0 1 0, it is also valid, right? 0 will go to the second Q1, and 1 has come here, so there is no path here, right? I need to provide 1. Okay, we'll go Q1 to Q0, then any other if we take. Now we can go to other, any combination it will take, that will take the path, right? So as usual, our animation has made it for this also. Take the input here 0 1 0 0. You'll see that it is accepting or not accepting, because it's moved to the second state, that is Q1. One input has consumed. Next caret is 1. We should not move to the Q2. It will come back to the Q0. It will come back to the Q0. That is 1 has gone. Then again it will move to the second state, that is 0. It will accept it. It will move to the second state, the Q2. That is Q2. It is it will take one more is there. It will move on to that. It will rotate it there itself. It will accept it. It will land, since it is landed in a double circle. So this is the one has taken. This is the final transition diagram. And with respect to that, M also you have to define. M is nothing but Q sigma delta Q naught F, where Q is a Q naught, Q1, Q2. Yeah, sigma is input is a 0 and 1. Then Q naught is belong to Q, is a start state, and F is a Q2 is a subset of Q. Then it is a delta Q cross sigma to Q transition function, then transition table. So there is initial state is indicated by this, star is indicated by Miss, I think this is the star that indicate the finals. Sorry. This is star, it is indicating a double circle. So circle, or it can be indicated star, any of the final state in a transition table.